Okay. You might remember that I ordered lenses for the tractor and they sent the wrong lenses. So I did a little more shopping around. And found a different option that might be right for this mower. Okay. Before I do anything, I'm just going to clean up inside of these buckets here with a little glass cleaner. Just getting any dirt out of here, that's about it. Not much dirt in here, but just a little bit. Let's see what we got in here. If it's going to fit, if it's going to work. Packing. And a one-piece lens assembly, which I think is the right thing for this tractor. If it's not, it's going to have to go back, unfortunately. But it looks like it might be right. Okay? Now in this case, yeah, I think it's the right thing. Yeah. That seems to have snapped in. And that's in. Looks like that's it, kids. Nice. That's what we needed. Beautiful. This kind of makes things look finished, if you know what I'm saying. And that's in on both sides now. Everything's good. Beautiful. Thanks for watching and catch us on the next video.